This week, spokesmen from Google and Amazon testified before the Pennsylvania Public Utility Commission. They discussed the rise in demand for data centers and the energy that comes with them. WENY's Pennsylvania Capitol correspondent Kara Jeffers reports.
Our lives exist online, and online, the internet, is physically stored in data centers.
With an average of 21 connected devices per household in the U.S., the role of data centers is expected to grow as consumers and businesses generate twice as much data in the next 5 years as they did in the past decade.
Data centers require massive amounts of electricity to operate.
What we're seeing is load growth where one data center coming online is using the energy of a mid-sized city.
Electric grids don't have the energy supply to meet demand, so with small supply and lots of demand, prices are set to skyrocket. That's where the Public Utility Commission comes in, PUC for short.
We want to make sure we're protecting consumers and our ratepayers from potential stranded costs for upgrades for load that may not come into play.
Pennsylvania's PUC wants to create tariffs, extra fees and rules and specific rates for large load customers. This week's public hearing was a chance for regulators and data center owners to give input on how those tariffs should work.
The general idea is to capture a customer who's imposing new costs on the system.
Data center advocates want strict deadlines for things like feasibility studies or estimates for how long it takes to get connected to the grid. But they want the fees they pay to match the size of projects and for there to be flexibility in other parts of contracts.
When we're waiting months to even a year for a study, it's very problematic, obviously.
In turn, the PUC wants transparency from any contract signed and for more accurate measurements of energy demand. In Harrisburg, I'm Kara Jeffers, WENY News.